What's up guys, welcome to ABAUTO. Now, before we start the video, I just want to say a huge thank you to all the lovely comments I got on my CLA45s announcement video. As you probably saw in the video, I am so excited about this car and I cannot wait to pick it up. And just to hear how excited everyone else is just makes it even more exciting. I'm so buzzed for this car and I'm so buzzed for the content because I know now you guys are really interested in it. So I am going to deliver some awesome content. I'm going to try my best. Anyway, onto the video. You click this video because you want an update on the CLA45s and I'm going to give you one right now. The truth is guys, I actually ordered my CLA45s a couple of months ago, so we're actually well in already. I absolutely loved it when I test drove it and I just could not resist and I ordered one straight away. But I wanted to just wait a little bit and make sure everything was solid before I announced it on the channel. So I've been speaking to Mercedes this week because there's been a few concerns about the semiconductor shortage, and the slowdown of production of cars. And I wanted to get a solid date from them to make sure it's still in place before I announced it to you guys. And I'm really, really happy to say, hopefully, fingers crossed, it all goes according to plan because it could be delays, that I have a build date of my car on the 18th of August, which is really soon. So I'm absolutely buzzing. I mean, obviously this could change. Fingers crossed it won't. But if the car goes into build on the 18th of August, that means it could potentially be with the dealership ready for collection by the 9th of September. That is under a month away. So if all goes according to plan, we could have the CLA45s on the channel in under a month. How amazing is that? So obviously I'm looking at these dates and I am super excited, but I'm trying not to get too excited because at the moment we're going through a bit of a pandemic, as you probably know, and I've heard lots of stories of people getting their car orders held back. So fingers crossed guys, double fingers crossed, we get the car in September. If we don't, it's not the end of the world. We can wait for it. It's well worth the wait. But I was really excited to share it with you guys. So hopefully September we'll have the CLA45s. I cannot wait to pick it up and I cannot wait to make content for you guys. Thank you so much for everyone for the support. I'll see you with an update soon.